Let's go guys, church. Si Baki, kakulit.
Let us pray to the Lord.
Lord, they are free. Can you read?
Montanas,
Oh.
BBQ, and water.
Perfect. Yes! Guys, masaya. Nakakain kami sa Montanas.
Oh!
Ay, ati Pao. Ati Pao. Ano na?
May sakit ka pa?
Kawawa ka naman. Sige. Happy birthday! Alright guys, ayan. Banatan na natin tong steak na to. Guys, magandang araw. Once again, sila kayo here. Nagbabalik tayo. We're home! Sa bahay tayo ngayon. At since nandito tayo sa bahay, saktong-sakto guys, is church. Magsisimba muna tayo. After kami mag-church guys, i-celebrate na namin yung yung birthday, 10th birthday celebration ni Ate Clark. This is my daughter, Ate Clark. Birthday niya ngayon guys. Wow! I-celebrate na namin. Alright, bebe?
Yeah.
Yan. Kasi andito si Papa. Umaga sa advance na lang kasi sa 28 pa actually yung kanyang birthday.
Yeah.
O since truck driver tayo, hindi naman tayo lagi dito sa bahay. Gawan mo na ng paraan, kumbaga saan. Para-paraan na lang yan para makasama ka sa celebration ng anak mo.
Look like Papa's in the front.
Yeah, I took videos. Alright, Ate Sinel. Everything okay? Say hi to the camera. Okay, go now. Alright guys, let's go. Everything settled there, Ate Sinel? Okay, let's go.
No. It's like this.
Church guys, church muna tayo. Say thank you to the Lord. And ask for forgiveness, ask for blessing, and of course especially we will ask for the guidance, and we will ask Papa God that please don't let anyone come to hurt us. Okay? Alright. Tawagan na natin sila Ate Papa, Ate Paypay. Nasaan sila? Sana makasama sila, wala silang pasok. Mas kompleto yung pamilya natin ngayon.
Is that my girlfriend? Just kidding.
You have reached the voicemail box of...
Hi, this is
Baka nasa work pa ako naliligo o anything.
She's at home. There's no work.
Probably it's work.
It's something. We do have small act like sobs.
Ate Papa, Ate Papa, I need to work for the expenses, bills. Yes! You know?
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Hindi masyado matrapikan, no? Tahimik ang Winnipeg, ah?
Sunday.
Oo nga, basta Sunday. Hindi, minsan pagka Sunday dapat naglalabas ang mga tao, groceries, di ba? Yes. Okay, so you excited with the birthday celebration, Clark?
Yeah.
How so?
She's very excited.
Yeah, he's very excited, right? Go to church, and after that, we will go to
Restaurants.
Montana.
Montana?
Yeah, we'll go to Montana.
Yeah. Restaurant.
Yeah, it is. It's a steak. Deserve steak, yeah. We never eat steaks. We always sa ano yung buffet tayo.
Yeah.
Wala naman kami kasing ano guys malaking regalo sa anak namin ito. Instead, bili ng regalo, ikain na lang namin sa medyo restaurant na hindi pa sila nakakakain kasi hindi pa namin sila nadala sa Montana At me and my wife, mula dumating kami ng Canada, hindi pa kami nakarating din dyan. Hanggang bupit-bupit lang talaga. Ano? Wow! Ngayon lang kasi
Part of the, ano yun eh, part of the savings.
sa akin lang kasi dahil siyempre 10 years old na itong anak namin. Wala naman kami gift na iba. So yun na lang. Yan, tara guys. Cheers muna tayo. Okay, entrance only. So Baki, you going to pray, okay?
Okay.
Ang bala, ikaw ang driver eh. Ikaw pa. Bilib na bilib ako. Ilang taong ka naman na-drivehan?
10 years?
10 years na, wala pang huli. Kagaling. Garong lakay tracker. Mahigit 10 years, tatad na ng huli yan. Na pinagkaiba namin kay Mrs. guys.
Ko eh, 10 na rin eh.
Ha?
Kasi 10 na rin. Kasi,
Plus 10 ka na.
oh, kasi 10 years na ako din.
Magkaiba kami ni Mrs. guys eh. Lakay tracker, tatad ng huli ticket. Si Mrs. Never pa siyang nahuhuli. Wow! Siyempre dito lang naman siya sa ano eh. May ikot-ikot sa ano eh. Alright guys, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go guys, church. Si Baki, kakulit. Careful kasi it's slippery. Madulas ka pa eh. St. Edward the Confessor Church. Para makahanap tayo ng upuan, no? Careful. Careful.
No, I tell you, but unless you repent, you will all perish just as they did. Then Jesus told this parable. A man had a fig tree planted in his vineyard, and he came
Lord, hear our prayer.
for this assembly. May God strengthen us against temptation and encourage us in faithfulness.
Happy birthday, Ate Clark. Oh. Okay, mass is ended. Go in peace. Happy birthday, Ate Clark.
Salamat. Why are you wearing a sweater? Where's your jacket?
Alright, guys. Yoo-hoo. Now, tapos ang church. Punta tayo, mag-celebrate tayo ng birthday ni Ate Clark. Ay, ito Han? Children's service. Ano to Han?
Ano yung...
Para makapag ano na rin sila? Hurry up guys! Hurry up! Kasi ni malamig. And your Ate Papa is waiting there now. Nag-aantay na sila.
Where?
Doon.
To the steak place.
And the stick please. Seatbelt please. Dito seatbelt.
Gusto na nagsimba?
Nagchimba na daw sila last week. Sabi ko nga, huwag kalimutan magsimba.
First time going to a steak place.
Upa, nagsimba rin kami. Everybody, because we don't went to steak before. We always eat in buffet. Wow! But this one, steakhouse, is a little bit expensive. But don't worry, it's Ate Clark's birthday. Right?
Are you one? Are you...
Ate Clark don't have an expensive gift. That's why we just gonna wait in there to eat. Hopefully she can eat the whole steak.
Yes.
Wow!
Oh.
Best
Alright guys, ayan.
Hi.
Woohoo! Ali Clark! Excited ka na ba kumain sa Montanas? For the first time, kakain kami sa Montanas. Montanas. Tatatanas.
Indigo. That's
Ayun, andun dyan, dandahan. Pero diretso ka dito. Dito na tayo.
Hindi ka kanan?
Diretso ka lang dito. Kasi wala ka nang papasukan dun.
Oh.
Pero nandun siya banda, sa gilid na yun.
I thought we're going to my side.
Iabante mo nga para masilip natin. Nandun na nga, ayun, yun yung Montanas dun.
Oh, so dito ako diretso.
Oo, dito ka na.
We can go now.
Para naman siguro ano dyan eh. Ayun yung Montanas.
Where's my...
Right there, the big Montanas right there.
Yeah,
Barbecue. Yeah, it is fancy.
fancy.
It is fancy.
Fancy. Indigo Kids.
Looks fancy. Andito na si Ate Papa.
Go to Indigo Kids. More.
Indigo Canada. Ikaw?
I wanna go to Indigo.
Indigo
siya
Canada.
Kids.
Ikaw mauna? Ay, hindi ba
Hindi
siya?
nga siya stop. Kaya nga nag-stop ako. It's okay, we're going to hide and seek.
Let's go! Sinel, help with the yung gift ha?
Yes,
Ayun,
pa.
Okay.
pieces everywhere.
Yung cake si Mami, baka mamaya mabitawan natin. Naku,
Huh?
yung cake si Mami magbubuhat.
Oh.
Cake! Where are they? Alright guys, andito na tayo.
Mabukas na mas.
Oo, mag-picture din tayo mamaya. Let's go! Woohoo! It's not a bar. Go get your gift, Clarky. Yeah. Go get your gift.
Sure. I'm just gonna wait for
Kunin ko yung isa. Pick up one, I will pick up one, and the rest ate Sidel. Bakit? Go with ma'am. Pakali pa rin ha. Mamaya na lang tayo mag-picture dyan. Paglabas. Let's go. No, no. So picture lang tayo dyan mamaya. Lahat. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Clark, look at the mommy's blowout to you.
Yeah.
What is it?
Huh?
Can you read?
Montanas.
Oh.
BBQ and water.
Perfect. Guys, masaya. Nakakain kami sa Montanas.
Whoa! Where's the pilot? Oh!
Nandyan na siguro sila sa loob.
Baby.
We will call. Ooh. Teka lang, Han. Oh, dito muna tayo. Hi, Pilipina. Okay lang yung vlog ko? O sige, saan lang maganda? Good for ano kasama natin. Ito naman kaya. Kasama sila Pau-Pau. 7?
Sure, I just have to quickly even the floors are for you guys. You can have a seat on the side.
Oh, okay. Sila lang mag-ano, hindi pa. Okay, okay. Upo muna tayo rito. Sure. Oh. Right. Smoking daily deals. Tuwing Monday. Tawagan ko nga si Ate Papa mo.
Oh, Mr. Bean. Lucky. Come here.
Baki, where are you?
Ate, look.
Ito sa ting.
There's drinks we can ask for.
Yeah, you. No, you're.
Ramen.
Okay, let's go. Ando na, meron na yata tayong table. Sige, grab your things. Baki, go na with mom. Let's go guys, let's go. Nagbablog lang ako sa family.
Doon ka na. Ay, hand ka ano.
Dito? Okay.
I want this one. Are we celebrating my birthday today?
Si Clark. Happy birthday. Inaantay pa namin yung dalawang dalaga. You speak Tagalog? Oh, okay, okay, okay.
So right now we do have our Caesar cocktails as a drink special, so there's a deal on it. If you have any questions, our service will be a couple minutes.
Anong yung steak nyo dito?
Steak?
May steak?
Just like right here.
Mm.
Yeah, the steak is here.
Anong, what size? anong size
We
sila?
have 7 ounce, 10 ounce, and 12 ounce.
Okay,
And
so,
then it comes with sides too.
Ha?
It comes with sides too.
Okay,
Comes
yung
with drawn this.
7,
7 ounce.
si baka sa mga bata siguro.
For the 7 ounce, it's over here.
7 ounce and
25?
oh, 25, 7
It's
ounce,
usually like this big.
10
For
ounce.
kids,
Hindi, what it comes with this steak?
All the steak comes with a side. So there's either fries, salad, or a baked potato.
Big potato,
And then
okay?
there's either beans or coleslaw.
Okay. Okay. Antayin lang namin yung dalawa muna.
Yeah. There will still be a couple minutes.
Of course. Ayan lang. Okay, tabi ka na lang dyan, mami, kila ate mo.
Can I have this one?
Not that one. You're gonna eat steak. Because your birthday girl.
But I want this one.
Ano ilang ounce yung in-order nyo
I don't want steak.
ni
12 yun, malaki. Pang ano talaga.
magkano yung 12 ounce?
Andyan, meron siyang price dyan. So, andyan yung 12 ounce, andyan yung 37. Pero meron ng ano yung 37 ba? 32.
12 ounce,
Oh.
37.
O meron ng side yan na potato or ayun, naki-choose yung side yan, andyan. Meron din siyang 10 ounce lang, 30, meron 7 ounce. Stick tayo lahat, Han, para sa ganun, ano, makatikim din itong mga bata ng stick. I guess, antayin ko lang muna, antayin lang namin yung dalawa. At iisipin mo, ni mami, ano. Andiyan na sila. Donut stand na, donut stand, para hindi na maging magulo. Ay, Ate Pao, Ate Pao. Ano na?
May sakit ka pa?
Kawawa ka naman. Sige. Happy birthday! Nak, pakilagay mo nga ito dyan na lang, pinakadulo, kasi maluwag naman tayo.
Order na kayo.
Kumusta ang mga trabaho, mga anak? Oh, doon mo na lang para makita
patong
naman.
pa, patong
Patong mo na lang dyan sa may dulo, sa may ano mo. Yan.
You this Clark.
Oh.
Si Papa, si Mami, si
Clark, bring it. Clark, move closer to me. Ay, kilala pala, makaka-discount tayo. Vlogger po.
Girl. No. Alam ko gusto ka.
Hindi, buti na lang. Meron pang discount.
I want this one. Can I have this one, please?
Okay.
Oh,
Can I try some chocolate?
Guys, umorder na kayo. Ate Pao,
bakit
Ate Pao, anong gusto nyo? Steak?
Hindi kahit ano mo. Ano sa'yo? 13 ounce?
Sige, wait lang.
Oh, tumingin. Sige, ayaw mo lang muna.
Ano sa'yo, Han? Sige na.
Oh, sige. Oh, 12 ounce mo na, Han.
Tapos sa akin, tapos si Clark, 10 ounce.
I don't want this.
Okay. What do you want?
You don't want
Burger?
steak?
Gusto niya burger, Han?
Oh, sige na. Yan na, sige.
Happy birthday, Clark.
Hindi pupunta rito. Hayaan mo silang pumunta rito, Han. Pupunta sila rito eh. Oh, sige, ito na lang ang gusto niya.
Baki, come here na.
Dito tayo.
Baki.
Ayaw mo
Baki.
rito na.
Baki, here.
I wanna be here.
Come here so that I can, ano. This is the favorite.
Which one you like your Clark? Which one?
Muro ka lang dito, nak.
Clark, I'm asking you. Which one you like? Chicken? Ito na lang daw ka sa kanya, Han. Oh, sige, ito
Let me
na
see.
lang. Ikaw, Sinel, yan daw. Magkano? May price naman siguro dyan.
Fries.
Tumingin na kayo dyan, Nak.
Like for the side dish?
Bring
Hmm.
Give me the arrow. Bring the arrow.
Okay.
Ikaw, Nel.
Which one? Dito ka na, parang turang.
Lumapit ka rito, lumapit ka.
Which one is yours? For like the side.
Steak?
Steak or what?
Napakita mo yung steak, nasa ba yung steak? Ito.
Wala pa kailam si Clark sa pera.
Bakit?
Binitawan na.
Clark, what you gonna say to ate?
She said thank you already.
That's your money.
Yeah, I said
No one will
thank you.
talk.
Which one is your steak sa'yo?
Bigyan mo na
Same
lang
like
ng
us?
10 ounce.
Nalate kasi ako. There's a side dish. Hindi kami nasa
Yeah, this all comes with this
Kailan?
one.
Yeah, I want that one.
I need a bow and arrow.
Mamaya antayin natin sila, Han. Kasi pupunta sila rito. Mayroon pa silang siniservisan.
Sana yung card na recognizer?
Baka na off mo next. Mag-dinner tayo sa birthday namin. Sa April.
Uy, malapit na naman pala ang malanit-lanita ng ano. I-book mo. Sabihin mo sa akin kung kailan tayo.
Ay, ikaw yung ano eh. Ako,
Hindi, ah.
pinakaw ko naman schedule ko eh.
Hindi, sabihin mo
Hindi
kung
niya alam
kailan.
pa eh. Pagka pumunta na lang siya.
Hindi, sabihin niya kung kailan para yun ang ipabook ko.
Huwag ka magpabukan.
Oo nga, ano ba? Kailan ba?
Kasi alam mo naman. Ay,
Ay, dito na po sila. Hello! Yeah, you're in the vlog now.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
drinks,
Water, just water.
water, yeah, tubig lang. Ano sa'yo? Dito ka na.
Dito, lapit ka kay ma'am.
What's your drinks? Dr. Pepper, Sprite. Opo.
Bakit ganun din?
7-Up din sa inyo.
Ice tea, mami, no ice.
Iced tea.
daw, no ice.
Water with lemon. Ice tea with lemon.
No, me.
Para sa'yo po, water nga with lemon.
Water.
Water lang po. Orders din.
This one, 2 of this one.
Ready na kami, ready na.
Sige po,
ready na.
dalawang 12 ounce po.
Okay.
How would you like that cook po?
Ha?
How would you like that cook po, yung steak?
Medium.
Medium
Medium.
lang po?
Oh, may medium rare, ganyan.
Medium. Itong isang ganito, dalawang sirloin.
Sorry po, dalawang
Dalawang 12,
apa.
tapos
Dalawang
dalawang 10.
Medium lahat po.
Medium, ayan, medium cook. Oh,
And
medium.
then, and then,
Ano yung gusto
this
ni
one. How
Clark?
much is this one?
$31 before tax.
Yes,
lang
it's
po.
fine. This one.
Sige, white out. Dalawa or isa lang po?
Isa lang. And
Anong
then,
sauce po sa tender?
ranch.
Pangbata.
Ranch lang.
Yung pangbata na lang.
Or yeah,
Plain na lang po.
Oo.
or honey
Pangbata,
garlic.
oo.
Honey garlic, sige
Honey
po.
garlic.
And then yung sa steak fries lang lahat po.
Mayroon ba kayong salad?
Mashed potato, baked potato, house salad.
Big potato, isang big potato yung sa ano.
Mashed potato.
So isang mash, isang baked.
Oo.
Then,
Tapos french fries na siguro yung
Okay,
lahat.
let's-
Oo.
Sige po.
And then,
Opo. And then coleslaw or beans po?
ano yun?
Coleslaw.
Okay, yeah.
Coleslaw lahat?
Opo.
Sige po.
Tapos itong dalawa na lang ang order.
Sige.
Make sure 5 yung na-order namin dyan, ha? 5 tao.
Opo.
Oo.
Balik
Kasi
po.
pandalawa si ano.
I'll take regular beans.
Teka na.
Sika lang 5.
Yung white out po, ano, ay hindi white out.
Appetizer.
Free appetizer po. Ano lang po, any of this except sa nachos and 18 wings. So, gawin mo lang is scan mo to yung code, tsaka
Okay.
5-star, then mention mo yung pangalan ko sa comment, so mabigay
Okay.
kita ng appetizer po.
Okay.
Okay.
How much is this one? How many rings is this one?
8 po is $16 po.
8 and 8. 16.
8 pieces, $16.
Itong 16 piece, and then half and half mild buffalo, and
Ikaw na balong mo.
ay,
Mild and hot po?
Yeah, hot.
Sige po, 8 please.
Bakit? Careful with the cake. Kasi baka mamaya hindi pa natin yan nakakantan si Clark. Eh,
I just wanna make sure dalawang 12 out, dalawang 10, isang white out, sa 12 may isang baked potato fries, na 10 ounce isang mashed potato tsaka fries.
dagdagan
para
ko ng
lima yun.
nachos.
Sige po.
Na nachos.
Dagdagan ng nachos po.
Ano yung nachos?
Apo, nachos po.
Yeah, nachos.
Nachos din po.
Gaano kalaki yung magkano itong ganito? Malaki na ito? Family?
Ito po yung, opo,
Family.
$21 but as in marami po yun.
Okay, ito din.
Opo. Beef, chicken, or cheese, or pork po yung protein.
Ikaw,
chicken.
Chicken
Opo,
lang.
chicken ang
Opo,
sarap.
gusto mo i-add yung guacamole or hindi na po?
Hindi na.
Hindi na po.
Serve together na lang.
Serve
Pati
lahat?
appetizer.
Oo.
Sige po.
Pati na appetizer.
Yung dalawa na lang. Nako, yung dalawa na lang.
I'll get the regular wings.
Regular, ano po yung sauce mo?
Just barbecue.
Okay, just barbecue. Barbecue and side mo po.
Can I take mashed potato? Oh,
Mashed
we have
potato?
mashed potato. Oh, baked potato.
Baked potato, gusto mo i-load up yung
sabi niya.
baked potato po?
No.
Pasilip nga.
Coleslaw or beans po?
Baka sakali.
Beans.
Beans, sige po. Para sa...
Dalawa na sila?
Siguro.
Okay, ate.
Hindi, sa akin.
Para sa po.
Pao sa'yo, pao. Steak, gusto ba steak?
House smoked ribs.
House mo clip, sige regular po.
Regular, yeah. How long is it? Like,
6 bones po.
okay.
Ano po yung side mo po?
Can I get mashed potato?
Apo.
Potato po?
Baked potato or mash po?
Baked potato.
Baked potato, tsaka sauce po?
Barbecue.
Barbecue?
There's a salad inside.
Hindi po, coleslaw or beans yung nasa. Coleslaw or beans po?
Dudumihan yan namin.
Coleslaw? Sige po.
Okay. Mansanan lang, no? Pasensya na, ang daming
Okay lang po,
ano.
okay lang po.
Kunin mo na lahat yung ano, parang di kalat-kalat, oh.
Menus po. Babalik lang po ako ng drinks tsaka yung mga
Oo.
plato sa appetizers po.
Put it back. Put it back.
Sure, let me just... Ano yung
Wala, mag-scan ka.
Mag-scan ka, oo. Sige, kasi may mga internet po.
Let me count. Order na lang ko ng appetizer. Pero mag-scan kayo.
ano pa natin nachos?
Ano na kasi na. Ha?
Nachos?
Nachos yung appetizer. Hindi, naka-order na ako ng
Ano nga, pero kukuha kami ng food.
Yan, kumuha kayo ng ibang, ano yung ibang appetizer doon.
Asan na yung menu? There is no menu.
Okay na. Antay na lang natin yung order natin, man. Guys, for the first time in history,
$85.
andito kami.
Kaya, shopping mo to ng mga chichibureche mo, Clark.
O sige. Open gifts muna ni Ate Clark. Ate Clark, go. Open it. This is from Ate Pau, Ate Pai. Ikinas ang kanilang gift. Okay. Oh. Si thank you.
Salamat na si Pati Pa.
Pagkano? 80?
Para may baba na ito.
Oh, sige, sige. Ay, ito pang inaano mo, Clark.
Pasok mo na yan, nak.
O, balik mo na ulit. O, thank you ha. Si thank you to Ate Pau. Okay, balik mo na lang doon. Next.
Sorry, this one.
You know how to read, right?
Who gave that?
From Becky.
From Baki. Okay, let me see what
No, the black one's mine.
did now.
Oh.
Tumayo ka, nak. Tumayo ka, nak.
Sit down ka lang. Ako nang
Clark,
tatayo.
sit down.
Oh, you're so not
I can't even reach.
Careful with the Clark ha. Careful with your cake. Hindi pa tayo.
chair.
Oh, what do you have here? Oh,
No,
pouch.
this is probably for my crafting stuff.
Okay, next. Tapos ibalik mo na lang ulit mamaya ha.
Ooh, nails?
Nails? Nails?
Nails?
Yeah, there's nails.
Oh, that's
Yeah, let's see.
Oh,
nails. Kasi kumain yan.
I like it.
has nails.
Ano ba bang meron? Oh, for nails.
Nails? I've never got that before in my life.
Okay.
What is that?
Did you like it?
Oh, nail polish.
Sino bigay niyan?
No, si Mami. Ay, si Baki.
What
Okay.
is that?
Alcohol.
For nails.
For nails. Oh, put it back now. Tignan natin yung iba.
O sige, put it back na.
Put it back na.
Lagay mo lang sa baba. Kaya
Where is this one?
Balik mo din na.
Did you like it, Clark?
Dandan mo na yan.
It's so cute.
Yes.
It's for your nails.
Did you like that? Oh,
Like
next.
doing your nails.
Read it from more.
Ram.
Stand up, Clark.
Oh, salamat, Mami.
Open properly. Open everything.
Oh, you don't break your tongue.
Picturean mo ha, kada ano. Kada open niya ng ano, meron kang picture. Oh, may bago siyang bag, guys. May bago siyang bag.
I love it, Mom. It's so cute.
I like
You can
it.
you can use that now.
Kuromi, right?
Meron pa siyang mugs dito, oh, mugs.
Mom?
Oh.
Oh, I know there's a bowl for ramen.
Kapihan, may kapihan ka na. Oh, yeah.
Okay, give it to me. Clark, this one's for ramen.
Put it back now.
Samuel.
Para may space sa tipelo.
Oh, sorry.
That's so nice.
Oh, next.
I love it, Mom.
Those are your favorite, right?
Yeah.
Oh, ano naman yan kay Baki? From Baki?
Gosh, it's heavy.
That is from Baki?
Ate Sinel.
Ah, salamat, ate.
Ate Sinel ba?
Yeah.
Oh, sige, open it. From Ate Sinel, we'll see what she has.
Oh my.
Oh, some kid stuff.
Oh my gosh. Yes.
Crayons.
Thank you, ate.
Oh, tama-tama, may magagamit ka. May magagamit kang ano.
Thanks, ate.
May magagamit ka. Picture man. Bang ano yan, oh. May magagamit siyang ano, yung pagka
Same like Mom. We're both
inutusan
matching.
siya ni maming ano, mag-drawing.
Mahilig siya
Oh.
mag-drawing, di ba?
Si Baki gutom na eh. Kunting taste eh. Ako nahihirapan kay Baki eh. Kunting taste na lang, bebe. Tulungan na nga kita maglabas, baka dumating na yung pagkain. Oh! Bunot-bunot bok.
So many markers. May school supplies ka na.
School supply talaga, school supply. May bag siya eh.
Stapler.
Okay, wala na, balik mo na.
Oh, yeah, there is. Do you like your gifts? Yeah.
Clark, hurry up, kasi yung pagkain mo nandyan na. Mag-blow na tayo ng, ano mamaya, ng candle. Sorry.
Yay! Ano yun pa? Sticky notes?
Sipo, parang ganun.
Thanks. Take mom.
Okay,
That's so quick.
meron pang isa. Meron pa tayong isang...
Tingin nyo lang sa wall yan.
Meron pa tayong isa. Open it. It's from...
Papa.
Papa.
Salamat pa.
Oh, you welcome, bibingko. Okay, now go. Hurry up. Tignan mo natin kung ano. Damit? Mas maganda siguro damit, no?
Kanina pa yan sa kami kasi.
Okay.
Wow, Lululemon.
Ako pala Ako pala ang nagbigay niya.
That's so cute. I like it.
Ayan guys, para sa mga bata.
Yeah.
Si Bobby. Shall we sing song?
Isisingin na ba natin siya? Sige. Mag-blow ka na lang, Clark. O sige. Let mommy do it.
Mommy, can I do it? I know how to do it. Yeah, okay. Parang...
Careful. Careful.
Dalawa. Tandaan mo na yan.
How old are you?
Na, 10.
10. Perfect.
I'm turning 13.
Right.
Tatlo. I'm turning 7.
No, you're not.
Kakantahan muna kami, Clark ha. We will sing you first ha. O yan, sige, lagay mo na lang dito. Tama-tama. Nandito na, parating na eh.
Ay, yan sa'yo na.
Yan sa kanya.
Angel pala.
Ganito yung dun sa dulo.
Oh.
Ay, sorry.
Kay Ate Pai. Kay Ate Pao.
Sa amin to? Sa akin to ba?
O di yan yung, ano eh, di ba? Yan yung in-order mo, di ba?
Hoy.
Ribs yung sinabi mo.
Oh, ano yung big dish? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I blowed
Huwag
it.
mo nang gagalawin kasi magbo-blow muna si Clark. Guys, kanta muna natin.
Angel. Girl, I did it already.
Magkanta muna tayo.
Anong kinuha mo? Wala pa nga namin sabi niya comment na daw natin
Okay, let's start.
Angel.
Okay na daw. Sinabi.
Kantahan muna natin. Pao.
Pips.
O sige, kanta muna tayo.
Come on, Pips.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Clarky. Make a wish.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8,
8.
9, 10. Make a wish and blow.
Make a wish first.
Close your eyes and wish.
I wanna blow.
Blow. Okay. Okay, very good. Yun.
Okay.
Wow, nice.
Can I remove the cut it? No.
Hindi price yung sa akin, ha?
Can I cut it?
Mine was
Can I cut it? Can I cut
sisinilang
it?
price.
Can I cut it? Can I cut it?
Oo, sige, bigyan mo lang sa kanya.
Guys, can I cut it?
Mas malaki.
Can I cut it?
Oo.
Hindi yan.
Hindi yan, Rips. Stick yan. Kumuha ka na lang dito sa nila. Kung ayaw mo, mag-switch na lang tayo.
Oh, yeah.
Can I cut it?
Switch na lang kayo ni Papa.
Can I cut?
Mali ang pagkakalagay nila.
Can I cut?
Sige. Thank you.
Meron pang ano?
Bless us and this food
Meron pa, no?
that we are about to eat and so us
Meron pa, no?
by gathering our
Hindi,
family
I thought,
and my daily path to love
16.8 ang in-order mo.
Kasi yun lang pwede sa appetizers po.
Oh, so hindi yung 16.
This is so soggy.
Magkano itong ganito?
$16 po.
$16.
And then free siya kasi sa free app po.
Ah, okay. Sige, thank you.
Sige, mag-pray mo na.
Very good.
Nakapray na ba kayo? O, sige. O, tapos na palang prayer. O, sige. Ayan. Right?
Magpa-ano kaya tayo? Pa-picture tayo.
Oo. Are you guys okay?
Yeah.
How about Baki? Nguyain mo Baki, ha?
This is wild delicious.
I asked you to get a steak where you don't like steak.
Tata just gave me.
Hey, you want chicken? Instead of steak? Guys, kain tayo. Ito yung celebration na namin ng
Not chicken.
family ko para kay Ate La.
A little bit.
Ay, kaya happy birthday. Meron tayo dito yung steak. Yun. Alright guys, ayan. Banata na natin tong steak na to. Hindi mo pwedeng kunin yung sa kanya, Neil. It's yung pagkain niya yan eh. Meron
Neil, yung
in-order.
pinili mo, sabi mo steak ang
Yun ang in-order mo.
It's okay.
Merong ano dito, kumuha dito chicken, no? Wings.
Kaso manghang ka masyado.
There's wings?
Yeah, it's only a few piece. Guys, tara, kain tayo. Share mo dun kay Ate Papa o Ate Papa, gusto nila. Medyo, ano to? Tamang-tama si Mace kanina, nagbuhat pa sa bahay, oh. Nalo guys, nalo. Hmm?
It's really cute. Thank you. I don't realize now. Just getting you. I know you.
I didn't realize na nakakain na kasi.
You got your hungry here?
Guys, busog na busog kami. Hindi nga namin naubos yung mga steak, oh. Malaki kasi, kakapal. Alam mo yan, oh. Parang 1/4 lang yung nakain ko.
Ito pwede yung ano na.
Kainin mo na lang yan,
He's
oh.
got a potato.
Yan, inuwi. Ay, meron pa dyan, oh. Hindi nagalaw.
Hindi kasha.
Marami pa pala tayong may titik out, no? Kapag kayong hindi pala tayo malakas. Baka meron silang ano kamo, tanungin mo kung meron silang iba.
Ano yan? Tiin na lang yan pa.
Okay.
Hatiin pa.
Yung price, Han? Kasi gusto ko yung price.
Oy! Ay, hawakan mo kaya? Oh, mommy.
Ay, nagtitiklop na kami at mamaya kunin na namin yung bill. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, where we going after this?
I'm just too
Where's Ate Clark?
energetic. Right here.
Oh, okay.
Sarado ko pa yan, babe.
Wala, hatiin mo yan pa.
May kutsilyo naman kasi.
Just put some in here.
Doon na kasi si mami mo ina-arrange na nga eh. Ayun, si Pop. Nakita na sa video. Kinamay mo eh. Use your fingers. Hindi bali, walang problema. Tayo lang naman kakain yan. Hayaan mo na.
Just go in.
Akina! Akina!
Like, are you happy with your birthday celebration?
Akina ate!
First time talaga ah.
That's natural.
Patience.
No, don't open it, Clark.
Wala ka naman patience.
Ayan guys, busog na busog. Ang dami pa namin na-take out. Na-take out. Hindi pala kaya ubusin ng mga bata.
10:47. It's not expensive when I go shopping.
Magkano yan? 285? Ang gawin mo na ano? Bigyan mo siyang 20. Bigyan mo siyang 20 tip.
Ay, yung susi na sakyan ko.
Sino bang may hawak ng sino bang sasakyan? Busog na busog. Happy birthday, Ate Clarky!
Birthday, Clark.
Happy birthday, Ate Clarky!
Bakit?
At least na-experience natin yung Montanas. Right? Mami, binabayaran na lang. Okay guys, ayan. Let's go! Ewan ko kung anong plano ni Macy's sa mga bata na to. Baka paglalaroin sa palaruan. Ayan, bye-bye Montanas for now. Ano nak? Sige nak, okay. Ingat kayo dyan ha. Oh. Oo. Nak ha. Ingat kayo dyan. Pau. Ingat kayo.
Love you.
Ingat, okay, okay.
Bye,
Love you too guys. Okay. Ingat kayo, ingat. Bye-bye na, ate, ate. Bye-bye. Sige na, okay. Tingnan.
There's
Ayun,
nothing.
lamig.
That's my...
Let's get inside now. Lamig. Woohoo!
Not go. Bye.
Alright. Yeah.
Ano yung dapat ko sinesearch ko yun?
Ayan guys. Tapos ang aming kain dyan sa Montanas. Magugulong mga bata pero nervous. Saan tayo? Palaro ng mga batahan? Okay, let's go.
I-search ko sa cellphone mo.
Guys, dito na tayo sa bahay. Hop. Clark, happy birthday! Uwi na kami guys. Kasi bukas bibiyahin na ako alas 8. 36 hours lang ako sa bahay. Hanggang sa muli natin pagkikita guys. Pagod na rin itong mga bata. Thank you for watching. Ingat kayo. Bye! Bye na!
Lakai Tracker.